The goal of this video is to set up my form for Sign Me Up. And the first step I'm going to do is just have a basic set of fields, and internally in each field they will be labeled with these labels. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy from the Log Me In form to the Sign Me Up form. So I went ahead and made some modifications, including changing the value of the submit to here Sign Me Up and over here Log Me In. So now this is what we have. Sign Me Up has a button, Sign Me Up, and says Sign Me Up. Log Me In, the value is Log Me In. So what we're working on over here is the Sign Me Up. And I added some space here within the modal body so that everything is more defined and clear. The first thing we're going to have to do is this text field is going to be for, well, username is what it is. So nothing's going to change here. The next one is going to be email address. Actually, there's something I just realized, which is that my database table for person should also include a password field. So I'm going to add that, and I'm going to have a password field here. Actually, there will be two password fields. One is to confirm. So there it is, password and confirm password. And the type is password. For the input fields for phone numbers, I made them type TEL, like here and here. All the other ones are either text, password, or email. Now for country phone code, that's going to need to be a drop-down menu, and I'm going to have to research that. So right here, instead of the type equals telephone, I'm going to put a drop-down box. So the tag is select, because that's the input field, and I should get rid of this. So right now I just need to find out what all the country codes are. By the way, I forgot to put this in here, class equals form control. That way it'll look nice like this. Alright, I went to Google and this is what I found. On a website called zerb.com. I don't know what forced has to do with it, but I found this. Country calling codes, select input, and PHP array. So here it is, and I put it into my code. This includes both a PHP array, which is called country calling codes, and then in my HTML, I put the options for the select, and they're pretty long. So far, what I have is most of the front end for the two forms that I need for the index page. The thing which I would like to add is some alerts, and those alerts, when I put them in this page, they're going to appear all the time when the form is shown. However, when I code the back end, I'm going to make it so that these alerts only show up after the form has submitted, when there is a mistake in the form. And that's it for this video.